Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, you guys, I am sitting up here and I'm asking for you guys' help. So, whenever I'm like stuck on a project, I always go to like Etsy to see examples, get ideas, inspiration, things like that. So, I'm about to go ahead and get back into the adventure of doing hair accessories, hair bows, headbands, hair clips, that type of thing. Now, if you purchase hair bows, what I'm stuck in the middle of is I don't know if I should make packs that is like dedicated to just a single color but different types. Like this one is pink and it's got, two different bows that's pink. These are the same color. This is also pink, but it's two different ones. This is like a purple set, this is pink. Like, should I do an all pink set, just different textures, different styles, all blue set, different textures, different styles? Or should I do like a pack that has just all the colors? Like this. Like, I'm really struggling on what to do. Should I do, I don't know, like, or should I just do this, like two bows and sell it in a pack like that with just two bows that's the same? Like, I don't know. I'm really stuck. I don't know. Or what do you guys look for when you're actually out shopping for like bows? Like, what is it that draws your attention to the bow? Because I don't know anymore. Like, my girls are out of the hair bow stage. They're in middle school, high school, and I got one fourth grader who kind of sort of still wear bows, but not really. Yeah, like what do you look for? Like glitter, bling? Do you want solid colors? See, like even this is nice. Like I think this is cute. This is cute. I don't know. You ever wanted to start on a project, but it's like you're so overwhelmed with ideas. It's like you don't even know where to start. So you just don't even start because you don't know what to do. That's where I've been at for, I'm not gonna lie, almost the past week. The past week I have been stuck on how to get started. It's ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous. Anyways, that's why I had to come on here and make a video because I can't decide. So I'm hoping, please, can y'all comment? Please, can y'all tell me something? Shoot, help stir me in the right direction. Because I'm really lost. I'm really lost. Like, do you look for a whole pack? Like a pack of 6, a pack of 10? Or do you look for like little single packs? Or the pigtail pack that got 2? I don't know. I'm just lost. Okay, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in a little bit. I got to go and let this take up a whole nother day of thinking. Hopefully I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.